friends, we're back and we are going to check our work together. All right, here we go. Our first story was about Pam, and Pam was at the end of the line. She was tired of waiting and she wanted her food now, so she decided to cut to the front of the line, and none of her friends thought it was fair, and so no one sat with her at lunch. So I think the author's message in this story is, what did you get? I think the author's message is to be patient and wait, because not good things happened to her in the end when she didn't wait. So the central message is to be patient and then I know because her friends did not think that was fair and no one sat with her at lunch. I know that because Pam's friends were mad. Sorry for my messy handwriting, friends. You have much better handwriting than me. And they did not want to sit with her. Period at the end of our sentence. Okay. If you need to fix anything, you can always pause your video and then start your video again. All right, let's go to our second story that we worked on. Our second story was about Jan, and she couldn't read her book. So her teacher gave her more books, and she practiced reading every single night. And she did her homework with her mom. When she tried to read her book again, she could do it. So I think the central message is never give up, or to have perseverance. Perseverance is a fancy way of saying to never give up, to keep trying. So I'm just going to put the main message, the author's message is to never give up. If you want to write perseverance, you can write that word. I'll write it down here for you. Or persevere. Okay. I know this because in the end, Jan practiced reading every night and then she could do it. So I guess another message could be that practice makes perfect, right? Too. So either one is acceptable as your answer. I know because after lots of practice, Jan could read her book. Okay. All right, friends. If you need to fix anything, or you can always pause. I'm going to move to the next video, or the next story, and that was about Nick, who wanted to jump in the pool, but he was too scared. So his dad encouraged him to jump into the pool, and finally he decided he would take that risk, and when he jumped in the pool, he was glad because he found it fun, and then he didn't miss out on anything. So the central message is to take chances or take risks in life. Even when you're scared, try to overcome those fears, and when you do, you might have a great experience. And I know this because, and also his dad was there to help. So you can always ask for help. You know, it's good to do that when you're feeling intimidated or scared by something. Let me see if I can get this shade. Okay. I know this because in the end, Nick was glad that he jumped in the pool. Just like Koala. Koala was glad in the end that he came down from the tree. He was glad that he jumped, ED, into the pool. What goes in the middle of a pool? Ooh. Oh. All right. I think you probably got that. Good job. Everybody's working hard, and that's what's important. And this was our challenge one. This was about Cam and his friends, and they didn't have enough money to go to the circus, so they made a plan, and they all worked together to put up posters and sell cookies so they could raise enough money. And in the end, they raised enough to go to the circus. So I think that the author's message in this story is to work together. If you said to work hard or never give up, that would be an acceptable answer too. But I know, because in the end, in the story, Cam's friends worked together so hard to write on this angle and raised enough money for the circus so they could all go. So check your work, fix anything you need to. I thought this was kind of a fun exercise, and I mean, it might have been a lot of work for you, so you should be very proud of your hard work. And I had a lot of fun with you today. And just remember, there's lots of lessons we can learn from stories. We can learn to be honest, to help others, to keep our promises. These are themes that show up in books over and over and over again. Patience, being grateful and thankful for what we have, never giving up, and persevering. Okay? I hope that you've had a great week figuring out author's message, and I'll talk to you later. All right, bye everybody.